Does your Windows PC take a long time to start? Too many startup apps can slow down boot times and use system resources in the background. Microsoft PC Manager makes it easy to review and manage these apps. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to manage startup apps with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several optimization tools. Next, navigate to the Startup Apps section. This area displays the programs that automatically launch each time Windows starts. Take a moment to review the apps in the list. Yeah, you'll usually see which apps are enabled, and may also see information about their startup impact, helping you decide which ones you really need. If you find apps that don't need to launch automatically, switch them off. You should avoid disabling programs you're unsure about, especially security software or essential system services. After making your changes, Microsoft PC Manager saves them automatically in most cases. If prompted, confirm your changes and close the Startup Apps section. Finally, restart your computer to let the changes take effect. After restarting, you should notice that Windows starts with fewer background applications, which can improve boot time and overall responsiveness. And that's how to manage startup apps with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. By keeping only the apps you really need at startup, you can improve boot speed and help your Windows PC run more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.